In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data labels to your Excel chart in Excel. Data labels are the numbers or text that sit right on your chart and tell viewers exactly what each bar, point, or slice represents. They make your chart instantly readable, which is perfect for reports, presentations, or when you want your audience to grasp the key figures without scanning axes. Start by selecting your chart. Click anywhere on the chart area so a border with handles appears around it. This tells Excel you're working with the chart, and you'll see special chart tabs appear on the ribbon. If nothing changes on the ribbon, click again to be sure you're not selecting a single data point or a shape sitting on top of the chart. With the chart selected, go to the Chart Design tab on the ribbon and choose Add Chart Element. This is your hub for toggling things like titles, legends, grid lines, and of course, data labels. If you prefer a quicker route, look for the Chart Elements button that appears next to your chart as a small plus icon. It opens the same menu. Either way works. The key is that your chart must be selected first. From the Add Chart Element menu, move to Data Labels. Hovering over this option shows you a live preview on your chart, which is great for deciding what looks best before you commit. A short click will expand the choices. Now, choose the label style that fits your chart and your story. Center places values right in the middle of bars or points and works well when you have plenty of space. Inside end sits the number at the top of a column or end of a bar without leaving the shape, which keeps things tidy. Outside end moves the value just beyond the bar or column, improving readability when shapes are small or crowded. For line or scatter charts, options like above or below position the values near each point without covering your markers. If you want a more prominent look, Data Callout puts each value in a labeled box. It's more visual but can be busy if you have lots of data. As you pick, watch for overlap and clutter. If labels start stacking or hiding, try a different position or simplify your series. Aim for contrast between label text and the chart colors so values remain legible. And that's it. Your chart now displays clear, accurate values right where your audience needs them. Use data labels to highlight key results, reduce guesswork, and make your insights instantly clear. Thanks for watching and happy charting.